Content analysis, a level psychology. Content analysis is a research method used to systematically analyze qualitative data. Think of it as turning words into numbers, allowing us to identify patterns and trends. It's particularly useful when studying things like media, literature, or even interview transcripts. First, you need to define your research question and select your sample of content. Next, develop a coding system. These are the categories you'll use to classify the data. Train your coders to ensure reliability, then analyze the content and count the occurrences of each category. Content analysis is great because it's relatively inexpensive and easy to conduct. It also allows for both quantitative and qualitative analysis, providing a rich understanding of the data. Plus, it's a reliable way to analyze existing data, meaning no need to collect new information. However, content analysis can be subjective if the coding system isn't well defined. It also only describes the data, it doesn't explain why the patterns exist. And remember, it's limited to the available data, so your conclusions are only as good as your source material. When discussing content analysis in your exams, remember to highlight its systematic nature and the importance of iterator reliability. Be prepared to discuss both its strengths and weaknesses, and always relate it back to a specific research question. Good luck!